Rise, oh day, the particles desire dancing to the warm, the air and the cosmos are dancing. Happy souls with no head or feet will be dancing, and I'll whisper in your ear where the dance will take place. Oh love, they think of you as an angel, or as a human, or above and beyond the Suleiman's sea. They think of you as the souls dwelling in the universe's moon. But I live with you as no one ever knows. Oh love, they think of you as an angel, or as a human, or above and beyond the Suleiman's sea. They think of you as the souls dwelling in the universe's moon. But I live with you as no one ever knows, as no one ever knows, as no one ever knows. KNO WWW KNO. My dear heart, keep your desires tied to your foot. Put your hope in the one who's guiding you. When you see none of your wishes have come true, don't lose hope. Chain your heart to no one but God. Chain your heart to no one but God. Chain your heart to no one but God. Peaceful paths, wandering around the world. Why are you at a loss, searching for an idol, the one whom you're looking for out in the world? If you search inside, you will find you are the one. Oh yeah, you are the one. Oh yeah, you are the one. Oh yeah, you are the one. Oh yeah. My dear heart, you can't find your path with commotion. You can't reach union without annihilation. Once you're in the skies where the beloved's birds are flying, as long as you struggle to fly, they will give you no wings. In times of fasting, the earth of your body changes to gold, like a stone that is powder for eyeliner. Every bit you've eaten becomes precious as pearls. Every moment you have waited will be diamonds in war. You are the solution to all my problems. Your blessings intoxicate blossoms and trees, and in the whole garden every flower and thorn are drunk with your love potion. Give me chalice by which all are but one, by which all are but one. Remembrance of God, and a human rises to the absolute. See how splendor arrives when God shines through this miraculous ocean, this human inner world once set in motion. The cry of I am God will rise and behold. Now that you have stolen the soul of the world, there is no use sitting at home. The day you were transformed to a moon, you had no idea. Everyone would point their finger at you. Tonight the wine bearer passed around, Moshe like wine, then stole every heart and penetrated every faith, pouring wine after wine, causing a storm to rise, unlinking forever the chains of sanity. I wish much grief for the heart of any unloyal kind. I wish the vanishing of any unfaithful friend. No one remembers me in these times of sadness, except for sorrow, my admired loyal heart. Jalaleddin Molavi. ترجمه نادر خلیلی. My dear heart, you will never lose in love. How can you lose your soul while you become the soul? In the beginning you descended from heavens to earth, and at the end you will ascend from the earth to heaven. Who is the one who sees the external right from within? Who is the one who casts 100 magic spells when watching the insane in love? Try your own eyes, see how they see who is the one who is looking out through your eyes for you. I don't imagine even our soul is as close to us as the one we love. I swear to God I never try to remember my beloved. Remembering is only for those who are absent in us. نافرمانی مدنی، ساختن ترانه‌های پرورشی زبان، بیان، نفس، صدها لایه عضلانی در دهان انسان به زبان پهلوی می شود زبان. پرورش زبان، بیان برای آرامش روان. Pahlavi tongue sailor. To clean up the blood, we clean up the heart with Ferdowsi epic. به نام خداوند جان و خرد که از این برتر اندیشه بر نگذرد. به نام خداوند جان و خرد که از این برتر اندیشه و نگذرد. به نام خداوند جان و خرد که از این برتر اندیشه و نگذرد. به نام خداوند جان و خرد تو مسافری روان کن، سفری به آسمان کن. تو به جان ذره ذره که خدا دهد رهایی. خاموش از سخن گذاری هم اگر قدم نداری. تو اگر بزرگ جواری چه اسیر تنهایی. خیز و در کاسه زر آب طربناک انداز، پیشتر زان که شود کاسه سر خاک انداز. از نیستان تا مرا ببریدم، از نفیرم مرد و زن نالیدم. بشنو از می، بشنو از می، بشنو از می چون حکایت میکند و از جدایی ها شکایت میکند. Dedicated to Pahlavi dynasty, the dynasty that brought justice and business ethic to Iran. Long live, happily live, healthy. Pahlavi and Diva dynasty.